My love for Sundays stems from Sunday breakfast. Unfortunately, we had run out of pretty much everything, so I had to do a quick run. Oh, by the way, yes, we're doing this vlog narrated. Sundays are for legs, and on leg days I take supplements. The first thing I take is this C4. It's from Cellcore, and it's a pre-workout. And if you time it well, you really feel the kick. Almost like every now and then you'll get your face feeling a bit numb. It helps you get the most of your workout. I just don't do it every day because, well, it's not that necessary. Second supplement I take is the Extend BCAA, and it does help you extend your workout, or at least feel more energetic throughout. Off to burning that piece of cake from yesterday and all the peanut butter I ate today. Legs are the toughest day of a workout week. That's why all the preparation. Unfortunately, I can't always find cold water on tap at the gym, so sometimes tastes stale. On leg days, I really try to warm up, and this includes a lot of mobility training, especially focus on the hips since I had a small injury there. I also try to focus on my ankles, because unless your ankles are very mobile, then you're gonna feel some pain on your hips. I already started feeling the numbness in my face. I feel the pre-workout kicking in. I think it's time we start this workout. I had 3 compound movements when starting this workout. Squats, leg presses. So I normally go with 5 sets of everything, but I've been feeling a pain on the right side of my hip. So I decided to go with 4 only. One thing I learned over the years was to step back and wait for the next week before pushing myself to an injury. And yeah, believe me, this is a lesson that came with and after a lot of injuries. So I'm stepping the workout a notch down. And deadlifts. And for the grand finale of today, the machine that makes every man fret. But one of my most incredible workouts, but still one in the books. What even is this? What is this? As it is a Sunday, I had some extra time on my hands to get into some cleaning frenzy. First thing I got my hands on was the coffee grinder that I just bought. First, we disassemble everything. Now we'll bring out the big guns. Small but mighty. Pretend I didn't say that. And I hadn't had the opportunity to clean for the past 2 weeks. I think I made as much progress as I can with whatever this is. Now to this is something I bought off the internet, and apparently it's used to clean the burrs, and it cleans all the grease and whatever particles left in there. I never used this before, so we'll see. It's a weird white substance. I don't know, it's supposed to be natural. So I'm 87% sure that this is not how it's done, but it worked. And if it works, it's not stupid. Now, after this stellar success with the coffee grinder, I decided to take my skills to clean my shoes that I managed to get all muddy during yesterday's excursion. Now, this is a process where you spray your shoes, wait for a minute, and then use a towel or a sponge to wipe it. Unfortunately, the results were questionable at best. Alright, I'm gonna wait until my shoes are dry to see if I ruined them or if I cleaned them. I'm gonna end this video right here, and I'll see you again tomorrow, and have a great week.